I tried to come up with a theme song for borrowing with bump, but I couldn't come up with one. So, well, you had said that there's a lesson you wanted to tell us about how to leverage the equity in our homes to get our next home.
Some of those options would be a cash out refinance, or a home equity loan, or even a home equity line of credit.
Okay.
And really the only difference between those two is the home equity loan is something, if you have a set number that you want, you can pull that out as a one-time loan. And home equity line of credit is more so used as like a credit card. And so it's revolving. So you have a high balance limit and you can use that or pay it back whenever you need it.
The new home I'm purchasing, would you be able to qualify that as a primary residence, or would it qualify as a second home for my interest rate, which is typically a little bit higher for a second home?
So it depends. If you're buying the new home to live in it as your primary residence, then yes, it's your primary home and you can definitely use it.
All right, that's cool. That's awesome. That's great news, because I know there's a lot of people out there right now that are worried in this hot market that they need that money out of their current home to buy their next, but they don't want to go out shopping with a contingency letter saying, I got to sell this one first. So if all the stars align and their income, debt to income ratios, et cetera, all work out, you could get them qualified with that cash without their selling the other home, assuming they meet all the criteria that the lender has set up.
Yes, that is absolutely correct.
If you just go Google Bethany Bump Mortgage, you should find her. That's how I always find her.
That's an easy way too.
Bethany, thank you.
Thank you, Charlie. Thanks for having me.